at this point of time. In one sense, Mr. Mehta, this has also been the election which has said that not necessarily you need to always have a CM face. And that has been proven right, because when the BJP has been fighting the election, the entire campaign was on the face of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Nobody knew, nobody expected, even till yesterday there were no clarifications, no in fact confirmations on what and who would be the chief minister. So has that also the precedent that has been set after the Delhi elections, in your opinion?
Simran, I think the Prime Minister Narendra Modi work always strategically for the long-term planning for the party. He himself, when he became Chief Minister, he was not even the member of the legislative party. But he was a very senior leader in the party national level also, and he was from RSS. So since then, he started number of young people. You remember, Shivraj Singh Chauhan also come from the young Yuva Morcha, but he was already working with the party already. Rekha Gupta also, she was working since last 30 years. She's not new. Maybe for media, we can say, okay, Vijay Gupta was because he was a opposition leader. He's a senior. Now he will be speaker likely. So I think this kind of leadership everywhere, either in Madhya Pradesh, Mohan Yadav came. He was a minister, experienced minister. Here, because they wanted a woman leader also to give a leadership after Sushma Swaraj and Sheila Dikshit. Sheila Dikshit served very well. That's why even the BJP people used to, and there is no confrontation. What our Joyita ji was also speaking. And the other thing which just I want to add, what Joyita ji and our Nikhil ji guest speaking about it. You know, freebies doesn't mean what the Prime Minister talk about it, the power. You see, electricity, when you are giving electricity in the name of the poor people, but you know, the owner of the house, they will getting, not the tenant. The tenant, because the poor people, they don't have any agreement. So these kind of freebies are ration necessary. You see, remember, ration was going on since even COVID period also. Prime Minister Modi, for 80 crores people, were giving some free ration for the poor people. So these kind of ration, I think Prime Minister Narendra Modi, when he was the Chief Minister also, he was in supporting. Ayushman Bharat, free medical facilities, especially for the people. Even people don't know, but I know because the C.K. Mishra was the secretary and J.P. Nadda was the minister. At the time, this Mohalla clinic, the concept was good. But for the primary health centers, why in Chhattisgarh also, or in Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, everywhere. But what the misuse of the power, what Kejriwal did. Kejriwal not bothered, even the pollution. Sheila Dikshit did miracle, this for CNG at the time. BJP was not in power. But even then, for CNG, she was fighting. It was so much problem in Delhi. So pollution, the air pollution, but now it became a more serious problem. All over the world, people were talking about Delhi. So air pollution, water pollution, on the name of the freebies, you are just ditching, doing a thuggy, I should say. So these kind of, that's why the people also realized after 10 years that they should bring the BJP because the Prime Minister vision is clear. That's why in today also, even the first meeting, they are going in the Yamuna Bank, and then they will just discuss about it. Ayushman Bharat, immediately they will just speak, they're okay. We will give Ayushman Bharat because all over the India, only the West Bengal and Delhi were suffering because of this. So these kind of schemes. So we want for poor people, for middle class also, they want to give something relief. But doesn't mean that somebody misuse it. Ration if going to wrong people, you know, number of people in other states also are for women. You see the empowerment, even the Prime Minister in Madhya Pradesh, BJP was doing for the women, Beti Padhao, Beti Bachao. This kind of slogan were in Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh earlier also. So for daughters, for the woman empowerment, for self-employment, because you know just give the job, and the Delhi is a capital. Everybody want to see like a Sabarmati front where Xi Jinping went there with the Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Same thing when next time the American president or Chinese president or anybody come for French president, at least they see that in Yamuna is more clean. Like a Thames was also very dirty at the time. When the Rhine, I was also living in Cologne. I know Rhine was very bad at the time, but the chemicals in the capital region, you see, yesterday also we talk about the chemicals in the farm industries, but he did nothing. Kejriwal not stopped anything to pollute the Yamuna. And they were blaming to Haryana that, oh, they are mixing the poison. These kind of rumor and the agitation and all this, it was a very chaotic
All right,
Delhi.
Mr. Mehta, thank you very much, in fact, for being with us. And apart from that, in fact, Nikhil Jain and Joyita Basu, thank you.